So here we will begin with the first type of stele called as protostele. This protostele is most simplest form of a stele and it is considered to be most primitive type. Primitive in the sense first type when see the pteridophytes are the first vascular plants on the land. The presence of stele began in pteridophytes only, and it was like modified into more higher forms in case of gymno as well as angiosperms, which we will be looking forward now. So the protostele is the most primitive one type of stele. It consists of what? It consists of solid core of xylem surrounded by phloem, and there is a complete absence of pith here. Just few minutes in our last video we saw that the different types of stele, it is based on whether the presence of pith or the absence of pith. So in first type, that is protostele, there is a complete absence of pith, central part pith. Protosteles are the most primitive one and they originated for about some 400 million years ago. They are commonly found in Selaginella, Lycopodium. The present day, these plants are not fossil, they are even seen in the present days. So among the protostele, the first type is this one, haplostele. Among the protostele, we have different steles, protostele, siphonostele and solanostele. In that first one, protostele, in protostele we have the first type as haplostele. What haplostele says? This is a type of a protostele with a center solid xylem and xylem is surrounded by phloem. Only that's it. We have a xylem is surrounded by phloem. Outwardly of the phloem we have pericycle. There is no pith. So this kind of an stele is called as haplostele. This haplostele is found in a Lycopodium cernum and Selaginella kraussiana. You must be specific while mentioning the examples. Lycopodium cernum and Selaginella kraussiana. In these types we can see this haplostele. Now coming to actinostele. This one. Here very simple, in a very simple terms, this is the xylem, central xylem. This xylem appears like a star or it has an radiating arms. In the tip of the radiating arms we can see protoxylem. Two types of xylems will be there, proto as well as meta. In these radiating arms, tip of the radiating arms, we have protoxylem, whereas in the center we have metaxylem. So the entire xylem is star shaped here with a radiating arms. In between these radiating arms there is a presence of phloem here. This is the phloem. Outwardly we have pericycle. So again there is an absence of pith. When a xylem is in the form of a star shaped structure, such stele is called as actinostele. It is found in Lycopodium serratum. Lycopodium serratum. This is Lycopodium cernum and Selaginella kraussiana. This is Lycopodium serratum example. So the next one will be plectostele. This one. This is found in the stems of Lycopodium clavitum. Usually in Lycopodium genus, species is Lycopodium clavitum. Here, xylem occurs in the form of small parallel bands or small parallel plates. These are the plates, parallel bands or parallel plates of the xylem. We can see here at the periphery there is a presence of a protoxylem and the center will be metaxylem in case of xylem plates or bands. And these plates are alternated with phloem. Phloem here, xylem. Phloem, xylem. Likewise, xylem and phloem are arranged in the form of plates. Such stele is called as plectostele. This is seen in case of Lycopodium clavitum. The next one is mixed stele, mixed protostele. This one, mixed protostele. Here, this is seen in again a Lycopodium cernum. Xylem, when seen, it appears in the form of irregular groups. So we have groups. These all irregular groups are nothing but a xylem. It seems like these groups are embedded in a ground tissue. This is a first there is a ground tissue of phloem. This is phloem. ground tissue of phloem. In this ground tissue of phloem, what is embedded? Irregular groups of the xylem. There is a ground tissue of phloem. In that phloem, what is present or embedded is the irregular groups of xylem. This kind of a protostele is mixed protostele. It is seen in case of Lycopodium cernum. So these were different types of protostele. Thank you.